Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys had a very good weekend. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite places because beach is my favorite place. I hope you guys would have seen I just went for a recent vacation. It's been to Cancun beaches. So I have been there and I got inspired truly. I'll show you guys the pics because it's truly awesome and I just thought of recreating the look and bringing a part of it back to my home. So I thought I'd show you guys my new painting too because recently I have been working on water series. So I just created this painting because the concept of this painting is actually dive deep for the treasure that you seek for. So this is the mermaid painting which I did and I'll show you guys a closer look of it. Version of it today. So any beach lover would love to do this painting, and it's like mixed media art. So it's like a seashore and waves and all the subtle things that any beach lover would love to make. So if you guys want to recreate this look, please go ahead and watch the video. So for creating it, I'm just using this glass board. You can either use a glass board or any kind of wooden board or anything that works for you. So first I'm going to place my texture paste on top of it to create the effect of sand. So after applying the texture paste, I'm just sprinkling the sand on top of it. You can use any kind of sand. And then after applying the sand, I'm just using the texture paste again to create the waves, just to create a natural look. So here now I'm going to take a clay and then shape it. So you guys can see, I'm just giving a triangle shape to it. And then take this kind of knife, and then give impressions so that it will look like seashell. You guys can see, right? You guys can see it, right? It's a shell ready now. And then let it dry. Then for star shell, just make a round shape. And then pinch around the corners. So here I just created the mini version of everything. You can even buy it in stores. So after making the starfish and seashells and placing on top of it, I'm going to just mix the colors. For colors, I'm just using light blue and green kind of mixed with white so that it gives a natural effect. So after mixing, just go ahead and place the color on top of the texture paste. So after applying the colors and it got dried, I'm just going to create the wave look. So apply some texture paste, just it forms like kind of wave pattern wherever you want to place the waves. Using fingers, just smudge it with your hand. And here I'm just creating a small wave and just blend it with the colors so that it forms a natural wave shape. So this is the finished look of the beach waves. I have just highlighted using white, and this is the finished look of it. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching.